Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to talk to you briefly about doing algebra expressions in Excel and algebra calculations. Now, algebra basically is using letters and expressions standing in for actual data so that you can kind of create basically a program in mathematics and then plug whatever you need to into it and it just spits out the right answer to you. And this is at its core what Excel was built to do. So here I am inside of Excel, and let's just do a quick multiplication problem. So let's say we've got a value for x, a value for y, and a value for z. And now we're going to fill these in later, but we want the total to appear, let's just say down here. So we'll label this total, or result, or whatever you would like. And now we push the equal sign, and we're going to click, we want this multiplied, so the little asterisk, by this, and then we're going to multiply it again by z. And you can mix this up with addition and subtraction and division and all of that and exponential equations, but we're just going to do a really simple one first. So we're going to click enter, or push enter on your keyboard, and it defaults to 0 because there's no values in there. So let's just put 4, 5, and 6, and it results in 120. So we can actually, if we want to make this a little easier to read, put those multiplication symbols right inside the cell. And now you can see we're multiplying x by y by z. And you can format this a little bit nicer, make it easier to read, but essentially you're labeling the numbers that you're going to put in, and then you select one cell as your result cell, and you just build the calculation the same way that you would on a piece of paper, clicking on the cells that you're going to put the numbers into. And then you can put whatever numbers that you want into there, and it automatically spits out the total. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to do algebra in Excel. If you have any other questions, please contact me at jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.